抖音。
这个摇臂里面它比较神奇，里面有13根管子，针对于不同的口味的调味品，然后进行调整。
不像我们第一次来的时候就是很惊奇，然后我们都觉得是这个很多年的厨师去烹饪的，结果来以后跟我们介绍是这个机器人炒制的，我们就觉得很稀奇。
I wanted to do a little demo for you. I've got a 20 penny ring shank nail. If you'll notice, that's a pretty thick nail, and we use them in post frame because of the holding power and the shear value. Now these are the Beck Fastener 20 penny jumbo nails, and you'll see that blue coating. I'm going to show you why these things are just absolutely amazing. First, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drive this 20 penny. Okay, now I'm not going to set it all the way. Just because I want to show you that I can then grab this and I can pull it out pretty good, huh? Well, now we're going to take a jumbo nail and I'm going to try not to set it all the way. Let's hope I don't mess up this Martinez square. Perfect, that worked out amazing. This blue coating not only makes the nail drive even faster, better, longer, stronger, and all those great things, but it also adds an amazing holding power. Okay, here we go. You're never going to pull it out. It's just that good.